What's up, everybody? Samsung One UI 8.5 just got beta number 6, and I am so excited. We just had Galaxy Unpacked, and guess what? One UI 8.5 official is right around the corner. So let's jump into this beta and see what's new. Yes, you heard me right. Samsung One UI 8.5 beta number 6 has just been released. We just had the Galaxy Unpacked, like I said, so right around the corner from the One UI 8.5 official release. So I've gone ahead and downloaded. Let's go ahead and take a look at what's new. So let's take a look at the download itself. And if you haven't done the beta before, as I've said in the previous videos, you can go into the Samsung Members app. You'll click on the beta program. Then you'll click on the One UI 8.5 beta, and then we will go ahead and jump into check for software updates. You can see I have downloaded that. So this version ends in ZZAO, and it indicates that there is a fix for Bixby. So we just got an update in beta 5, which was for Bixby, and it looks like there was already a bug that was fixed. So it says it fixed the Bixby Labs Create Wake Up Phrase feature. So if you haven't checked out that video, click up here and I went over that. You can create your own custom wake up phrases with Bixby. Next up, we have it fixed an issue where 2 view previous image buttons appeared when using the sketch conversion feature in the gallery. So we should see an update to gallery. It looks like there was an issue there, but that's been fixed. Next up, it fixed issues with text icons and the always on display visibility of the now bar, now brief recommendation cards. It fixed a force close issue when changing the camera area settings in the settings under display. And it fixed an issue where the lock screen style of the basic mode was changed in modes and routines, and improved animations related to notification cards. So those are the updates that we get. We've got some bug fixes. I was hoping to see some of the new stuff, some of the stuff that they talked about at Galaxy Unpacked, such as the new call screen, which if you've had a Pixel before, Pixel still has the #1 best call screen application, but I'm excited to check out the new one with Samsung. We will also check out some of the Samsung applications in this video and see if there's any updates to those. So let's go ahead and restart this. We'll let this do its install and then we'll be right back. All right, so the device is just booting back up. Let's go ahead and go into the device here. Go ahead and enter my PIN real quick. Anytime that you do a reboot, it's gonna ask you to put in your PIN, and we'll go ahead and let that boot up. We should get the little toast message that says that we are on the beta software. So like I said, we are going to check out some of the Samsung applications, check the versions of those. We're also going to jump into Samsung Newsroom and see if there's anything indicated in there. And just so you know, the last beta 5, came out just about a week ago. So we're getting these betas a lot quicker, which means, like I said, that One UI 8.5 official should be coming very soon. With the Galaxy S26 going on sale and available, I believe it's March 11th or the 14th, we're just right around the corner. So I am super excited to see what Samsung's bringing. So let's go ahead and click on that toast notification. And let's go ahead, and I also want to check the Google Play Store. I mentioned in the last video that we're still sitting on November 2025, and I'm hoping that there is an update to that. So let's go ahead and take a look at, let's jump into Bixby. So if we go into Bixby, it said that there was a fix for the wake up phrases, and we'll give it just a second here. Okay, so we're into Bixby, and we're going to go ahead and hit the notes over here. We're going to go into the settings for Bixby, and there's a section in here under Labs. It says create wake up phrase. So if we turn that on, this is what's supposedly been fixed. So we're going to go ahead and allow for details. And so in here, this is where you can go ahead and do your voice registration, and we have this create wake up phrase option now. So now that we have that, there was an issue with this, so you can now go in here and do your wake up phase. So it says use a phrase between 2 and 4 syllables. There may be performance issues if earphones or Bluetooth devices are connected while recording. If you tap start, you acknowledge that you have read and agreed. So we'll go ahead and hit start. Hey there. Hey there. Hey there. Hey there. Hey there. Hey there. Okay, and so we've gone through, you have to do that 5 times just to do your wake up. We're gonna go ahead and hit done there. So you can see now that we have that wake up, custom wake up phrase. It shows under the labs. And so it says you can wake up when media is playing, you can improve voice recognition accuracy, and you can also delete all voice recordings. So that's been fixed. So if we just say, hey there, and you can see that opened up Bixby here, and we can ask Bixby anything like, what's the weather like out today? And it looks like we have to get permission. And there we go. So there is and we can see that it is working. So if it wasn't working before on beta 5, which I didn't test out, unfortunately, it is working on beta 6. So let's go ahead and take a look at the next one that they talked about, which was fixing an issue with the lock screen. So we're gonna go ahead and take a look at the version of the lock screen. So prior to the update, we were sitting at version 8.9.32.32. So let's go ahead and take a look and see if we've got a new version there. And we do have a new version. So with the update, it gets version 8.9.32.72. So there is a new version to lock screen. Let's go ahead and take a look at gallery. They also mentioned an update to the gallery. And prior to this, we were sitting at 15.8.00.63. Does not look like there's an update to gallery, which is interesting. So we're still at 15.8.00.63. So no new update there. Let's go ahead and check out camera. There was also a mention of changes in the camera. So before the update, we were sitting at 16.5.02.17. No new update there. Interesting. So we are still sitting at 16.5.02.17. And let's go ahead and take a look at the One UI home. So previously we were at 17.5.00.179, and we'll see if there is an update here. There is no update to the One UI home, which is unfortunate. I was hoping to see an update there, but it does look like we did get that one update to the lock screen, which is good. So that should be fixed. Let's go ahead and take a look at the Google Play and see if there is any update there. And you can see here, Google Play is sitting at November 1st, 2025. I'm gonna go ahead and click on that. In the previous video, it did say there was an update, and I did a reboot and it didn't do anything. So it says device is up to date. I'm gonna hit this again. And I believe this has to do with being on the beta. There's been mention of users that are not on the beta that actually got the update to the Google Play Store. But as you can see with beta 6, we are still sitting in November 2025, which is unfortunate. Next up, let's go ahead, take a look at Bixby itself. So Bixby did get an update in beta 5, so we should have a newer version here in Bixby. So let's take a look at Bixby. And so Bixby is sitting at version 4.0.60.2. So that is a new update from beta 5. So most likely that was due to the custom wake up phrase issue that they fixed. And let's take a look at Samsung Newsroom and see if there is anything listed in the newsroom about this. Okay, so we're in Samsung Newsroom. It doesn't look like there's anything mentioned about this latest update, which was released on February 26th. This is the latest release I'm seeing here, which was from February 19th, which was for One UI Beta 5. But this does go over the new updates to Bixby, and it also talks about some of the announcements that were made during the Galaxy Unpacked. So you can see here they've got a demonstration of how Bixby is working with the update. If we scroll down here, there's some other information, just different phrases that you can say and how Bixby is using the AI with Perplexity as a backend to really hone things in and make things a lot easier and use context as needed so you can talk to Bixby like a regular person. Well, that is all I have for the video today. I wanted to get this out so that everybody knows One UI 8.5 Beta 6 is out. If you enjoyed the video, smash that like button. Make sure to click the bell. Consider subscribing to the channel. And as always, I appreciate you watching, and we'll catch you in our next video.